Hey everyone, Brent here. For this week's Ask Brent, I wanted to show a brief demonstration on making sure you have the correct settings on Internet Explorer for Go Live. This will be important so that you get the best experience in the web UI with improved speeds when connected via a wireless network, faster screen loading times after the initial use, and making sure that the SAP pop-up dialog boxes display. There are 4 areas that you need to check the settings for: compression for communication, browser caching, security settings, and pop-up blocking. Let's get started. First, let's check the compression for communication settings. Go to Tools, Internet Options, and then select the Advanced tab. Scroll to the HTTP settings section and make sure that Use HTTP 1.1 and Use HTTP 1.1 through proxy connections are selected, and then click OK. The second area to check is browser caching. This is a 2-part process. First, go to Tools, Internet Options, and on the General tab in the Browsing History section, click on Settings. On the Temporary Internet Files tab, make sure that Automatically or Every time I start Internet Explorer is selected, and that the disk space to use is set to at least 250 megabytes. Then click OK. Next, click on the Advanced tab and scroll to the Security section, and make sure that Do Not Save Encrypted Pages to Disk and Empty Temporary Internet Files folder when browser is closed are both deselected. Click OK. Now, let's go over the security settings. From the Security tab, make sure that Local Intranet is selected, and then click Custom Level in the Security Level for this zone section. In the Security Settings dialog box, make sure that the Enable Radio button is selected for the following options. In the Scripting section, make sure that it's enabled for Active Scripting. Also, that in the scripting of Java applets, it is also enabled, and then click OK. Now, select the Privacy tab and click Advanced. Make sure that cookies have been set to override automatic cookie handling, and that first-party cookies and third-party cookies are set to accept. Also, make sure that Always Allow Session Cookies is selected and click OK. The final area to check is your pop-up blocker settings. On the Privacy tab, verify whether your pop-up blocker is turned on. If the pop-up blocker is on, then you need to add the SAP server and any other websites involved to the exception list. Click Settings. And ensure that *ecolab.com is listed in the Allowed Sites list. If not, type it in the Address of Website to Allow field and click Add. Make sure that the Show Notification bar when a pop-up is blocked is selected, and then click Close and OK. Wow, that was a lot of settings to go through. But making sure that these browser settings are correct will make your SAP use much smoother. The above directions may differ slightly depending on your current Internet Explorer version, but the navigation paths to the appropriate settings should be consistent. If you are not able to locate the above settings or need additional assistance, please contact IT support. Happy Go Live!